Welcome to another tutorial on STM-F407 series microcontroller. The board we are using is a discovery board, and now in this tutorial we will discuss about the mechanism of DAC to generate the waveform and to visualize it. Let's get started. I am using the software IDE. So this is the code for DAC. The concept is very simple. First, we need to calculate the value to be loaded into TH1 R1 register that will be considered with respect to the number of bits that you want to transmit. So in this case, I am not using the 8-bit data, I am using the 12 bits. So this is the 12-bit DAC. There are two in the DAC mechanism, DAC1 and DAC2. We are using here DAC1. Okay. How to calculate the value? The reference voltage we are using here is a 3.3 volt and the resolution is a 12 bit. So the value that I want to use over here will be considered as a 0.3 volt divided by 4096. Data value I want to will be 141 for a first step size. Okay. So by using this value, if I divide it by 4096, then I am getting the 4 step sizes for the 3.3 volts. First step will be a 0, then second will be a 1151 to 8.37. So this is the DAC register that values I am passing the source register the analog output. Okay. Now in the main, just configure the DAC, just value we have calculated. Then as DAC is by default not enabled with the clock source, enable the DAC, set the mode of that pin, and now in next part enable the DAC. So once the DAC has been enabled, we are waiting over here for taking the data from that DAC out register, that is a array of the unsigned integer 32-bit value, into the TH1 R1 12 R1 register. Okay. So step by step it is taking a value over here and that value will be transmitted to the data output register. Okay. So this is a simple mechanism. So I am downloading the code here. Just debug the code, download the code into the hardware, and now to visualize the waveform, this is a software. I am using a software to visualize the waveform and run the software. Okay, stop it. Yes. So this is a step 1, which is at the when we pass a 0 volt. Next 1241, that is around 1 volt it is coming. Then this is a second step, third step, and fourth step. So 0, 1, 2, and 3. 0, 1, and 3. This is a DAC output which are received on the channel 1. So how the connections are done? Very simple. On system we are using the DAC1 from PA4. If you look into the diagram, here the red color cable on hardware is connected to PA4. From that cable is going to this, and next black color cable is the ground. In these two parts I am connecting the oscilloscope. Thank you so much.